All right, I'm continuing to work on the aft spar, and as you can see, I have drilled holes, and I have up-drilled all those holes, and clecoed, and the parts are in place. You clamp them in place, you drill, then you cleco, continue on. So the other day, I'm going to fess up here. The other day, I was drilling, and a drill bit broke in a hole, and that's the second time it happened. And I tried to get it out the first time I got it out, the second time I tried to get it out, and I could not for the life of me get it out. Now, it's probably a simple fix, but I didn't think of it. I'm learning. And here is the hole that I screwed up, big time. You can see there's two. There should not be two. There should be one. But I talked to Sonex, and they were really good about it, and they said, nope, I can fix that. I just basically drill this out to about 3/16, and it should be an 1/8, but I'm going to drill it to 3/16, and I'm going to put what's called a solid hardened rivet in that. All the rest of the rivets are, as far as I know, all of them are pop rivets like that, and those are really easy to do. The solid rivet has to be driven and bucked, and I will go over that later if you don't know what it is. I'm sure many of you probably do, but so I have to buy some minimum quantity of those rivets, and I only need one. Hopefully that's all I will need throughout, but you never know. So that's what's going to go right there. Getting close to finishing this one up. That's where it is. After I complete this one, I'll then start on the forward spar, which is right there, that Y-shaped beastie, and there's the internal structure of 1/2 of the Stabilator, which I think I showed the other day. So, lesson. Here's the big lesson. I did not think that I needed to use lubrication when I was drilling these holes, but it should have been an indication when I was running into problem and the drill bits were sticking and breaking. So with that, this time, today, in drilling these last parts, and oh, by the way, this is kind of interesting, you'll see that there's two, if you can see, there's one, that's 1, 2, and that's on the aft side of this spar, and then there's one small one that's on the forward side. It's on the opposite side right there. So today, that's what I was working on, was put that forward spar in, and I was drilling these last set of holes right in through here. And in doing that, use lubrication. It helps. Can't see what this is because the label got ripped off, but it's some kind of lubrication that I had, and I actually use it for the bandsaw, but it's just as good for drilling. But I'm probably going to buy some different stuff for the drilling. But this worked very well today. I love this. You just gotta love this. For industrial use only, do not ingest. Who in their right mind would want to eat this stuff? It's wax. I guess if you're hungry enough, you could eat it, but I'm not going to. I've already been stupid once by doing this, but that's my confession. Fortunately, I can salvage it, and it still will be very strong. That's it. More to come.